Take out the machine and its accessories. Use screwdriver to fit holders to the machine. There are 2 spare fuses, which can replace a broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Connect the RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the Cavitation handpiece to the machine. Connect the face RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. Check all are connected properly and then press power switch to start the machine. What follows is the function selection interface. Press function button to switch among different handpieces. The default function is a Cavitation function after you start the machine. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Mode 1 is constant working mode, suitable for those who have sick fat accumulation. Mode 2 is discontinuous working mode, suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. Apply gel evenly to the targeted area before treatment. Please note, make sure there are no metal objects like ornaments on the treatment receiver. People who have metal implants in their body should not take the treatment. This treatment should not be performed on heart and bones, so no treatment on back and chest. Press function button and choose body RF. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Apply RF gel or cream to the areas evenly before treatment. Do not perform the treatment on dry skin. Press button to begin the treatment. To prevent the skin damages, please note, make sure the working surface of the handpiece is in full contact with skin. The working surface of the handpiece should stay on the same area for no more than 3 seconds in one touch. Press button to stop the treatment. Press function button and choose face RF. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Apply RF gel or cream to the areas evenly before treatment. Do not perform the treatment on dry skin. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Press function button and choose IRF. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Apply RF gel or cream to the areas evenly before treatment. Do not perform the treatment on dry skin. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.